naked fishing. Buddy and the Ricketts. Paleontology and popping the question. Campfires, computers, and concerns. Color, Camouflage and Cupcake Day. Fireworks, falling fondant, and fathers. Miss Richfield, Matryoshkas, and a meltdown. Hurricane Sandy strikes. Snow globe, storybook, cake, and a scare. Seeing double. State Fair, Syracuse bound and special anniversary. Second anniversary surgery and St. Patty's. Best of Cake Boss. Robots, Rollerstakes, and relatives. Leaning, Lobsters, and lectures. Doves, ducks, and delicacies. Camp Carlos. Prize cow, Pop-Tarts, and a predicament. Hot air balloon cake and happy little bakers. Snooki, Super Anthony, and a ship. Magazines, a mega screen, and Maurizio. Museum, mistakes, and Mother Mary. Monkey business and Mary in charge. Momma's birthday surprise. Rebuilds and raw fish. Frescos, fountains, and family wishes. Circus, celebrity chef, and surprise. Strawberries, Sinatra, and sick ovens. Colorful characters and Christmas costumes. Fiery competition. A princess, a pirate, and a perplexing arch. Cars, collapse, and couture. Cake boss, fire, fashionista, family. Leather, lace, and a princess cake. Icing the cake. Painters, pool, and pink. Chinese culture and cannolis. Undead, unclothed, unhappy mama. Wedding, water, whacked. Biplane, bridezilla, and busting buddy. New Deli, new design. Fast hands and a flaming pearl. Silly Seuss and surprise. B-Day bunny, burnt food. Bride, boat. bamboozled.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.